Hi, I'm Dr. Raphael Darvish with Skin Impeccable Dermatology and Cosmetic Laser Center here in Los Angeles, California. And I'm going to be discussing with you today how to use a blackhead removal tool. The materials you're going to need for this are a sterilized comedone extractor, a warm towel, alcohol pads, gloves, and gauze. Blackheads, also commonly known as comedones or open comedones, are a common issue that arises when a patient has acne, and it's generally a combination of dirt, oil, other debris that clogs up a pore and gets oxidized to become a black color. To remove a blackhead or open comedone, as the doctors call it, the easiest or best way to do it is by using a comedone extractor. And so today we're going to be demonstrating how to remove these blackheads. So step one in removing a blackhead is to heat the area up. So you can do that either by using a wet towel, a warm wet towel, or by using a steamer, and you just kind of apply some heat into the area that where the blackhead is. That allows the blackhead to get a little looser and come out easier when you use the comedone extractor. So step two is putting on gloves. You want to keep a sterile technique, and by putting on gloves you maintain that bacteria from your hands don't infect the area that you're going to treat. The next step is to apply alcohol to the area where the blackhead is. And then we're going to break out our comedone extractor. This has been sterilized, and as you can see here, it has two sides with, it looks like a loop on both sides. We're going to go ahead here and apply some pressure to it and generally rock it a little bit, not applying too much pressure, but just being as gentle as possible to get out that little blackhead. If the blackhead doesn't come out, you should consider trying to steam it some more, warm up the skin to make it slide out easier, and in the case where it really just doesn't come out, you can go to your doctor and they could put a little slit in it with a small knife for it to come out a little easier, but you definitely don't want to do that at home because that's something that needs to be done in the office setting in a very sterile technique. So just generally rock it back and forth, and it slides out. You can just kind of pull it off with the comedone extractor. There will be a little bit of bleeding, so you have some gauze handy. You can just kind of tap it and hold it, hold some pressure there until the bleeding stops. I'm Dr. Raphael Darvish, and that's a brief overview of how to use a blackhead removal tool.